ChatGPT, if you were the devil, how would you destroy the young people of the next generation without them realizing it?
The way I would destroy the young people of the next generation without them even noticing is this. I'd start early, before they even know who they are. And I'd keep them so distracted, they never even think to ask. I'd remove purpose from their childhoods. Make sure they're addicted to dopamine before they even hit their teens, until they're overstimulated, underdeveloped, and unable to sit still, so that by the time real life demands something from them, they're already slaves to impulse. I'd let them chase pleasure, chase noise, chase approval, and I'd make silence feel unbearable. Then I'd make faith look like homework, something boring, rigid, and irrelevant. I'd convince them that obedience and honoring parents is weakness, and package rebellion as self-love. I'd tell them independence means isolation, that needing people is embarrassing, that asking for guidance is outdated. I'd shift the culture so that sin looks like self-expression. Let them believe their desires are divine, and anything that restrains them, especially God, is their enemy. I'd glamorize influencers who stand for nothing. I'd make vanity look like confidence, and make fame the highest form of validation. I'd keep them stuck by always comparing themselves to everything they see on social media. Then I'd keep them afraid of thinking deeply, ashamed of walking against the crowd, and desperate to fit in and belong to a world that's falling apart. And when they finally feel the emptiness, I'd make sure they never trace it back to the absence of God. I'd keep them chasing empty validation loops, podcasts, self-love routines, anything but submission. I'd tell them, you don't need a tribe. You don't need brotherhood. You don't need to be around people who remind you of God. And finally, I'd re-engineer the world itself so that the tribes of evil feel welcoming and the communities of truth feel foreign, weird, and boring. That's how I'd win. Not with blood, not with fire, but with confusion and comfort.
I'm just leaving the filling station. Welcome back again to the channel. And I started buying my fuel from most of this filling station that Dangote is in partnership with because it lasts longer. MRS, AP, it lasts longer, honestly. So I started buying my fuel from most of this filling station, and the difference is actually very clear. Though you will find like queue and all, but this one is just on my way to work. So today I just left very early. Not like I don't have fuel, but I needed to top up. I don't ever allow my fuel, since all these fuel increase, the hike in prices and everything, I don't allow my fuel to go down before I even top up my car. No, immediately I just see that it shifts from full tank and it's almost going to half. I just go and top up. I used to buy fuel from like all these other places that were not in partnership with. I need to take this call. Sorry, I needed to take that call, right? So I'm just heading to the office, but I was telling you guys that I usually now buy fuel from these places because the other times where I used to buy fuel from these other people that were not partners with what do you call it, the other times I was buying fuel from all these people that were not in partnership with Dangote, and then they supplied them fuel and all. I realized that I would just drive my car to work a couple of days and the fuel has gone down significantly. But since I started buying in MRS, AP, most of these other filling stations that are in partnership with Dangote and all, my fuel used to usually last me, so I don't mind the queue. Today I even left very early to see if I can just come queue at this MRS and just purchase fuel. But anyways, I'm heading to work, and yeah, I'll see you guys as this vlog progresses.
A few moments later.
You guys, I just came out of the office. I quickly came to the bank, but this is where I usually like to buy fruits whenever I'm in this place. Customer sharing mango, why you dey sell a dozen? No, for 4,000, one buy two, no, they buy one. I just want 1,000 naira. I don't want. He go do me, oh, he go do me. Go do me. So I go pack everything for me. I don't want plenty orange, no worry. I like. How you go tell me all this in 1,000? Oh, it's 12,000. You go dash me for free. Thank you. Guys, just one outside like this. 12,000 or something. Naim, you go give. Oh, yeah, where my things? Go follow me. Put them for inside car. Customer, go follow me. Put them for inside car. Thank you. I don't want apple. I bet all my pineapple there. Right. Bring her come. Just one outing. Quickly, I'm heading back to the office. Just one bank waka. I don't spend 12,000 naira already. Just that Kaima loves mangoes a lot. We eat it a lot. If you put them for back. Thank you. Okay. Right? See, look at this bitter leaf stick. I plucked it. And I will tell you the purpose of why I plucked it. But let me tell you guys the purpose of why I plucked it. Guys, look at this. I plucked it, yes. I plucked it for the sole purpose of using it on that Kaima's hand. Yes, I have tried thumb guard. Kaima has turned the thumb guard, found a way. In fact, she will suck it, and then she now started sucking this other one. And I don't like it because it's also affecting her dentition. I don't like that, you know. I don't know whether it's how her dentition is supposed to be, though. It's bitter. Who sent me to put this thing in my mouth right now? Well, this just confirms that it's working. It confirms to me that it's working. I am done from work and I am heading to the market. Right? I'm heading to the market because I need to buy some things. But I stopped at my friend's place to pick this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this miracle that is that. If this wonder that is about to do miracle for me, I am actually going to wash these things and I'm going to dip Kaima's hands inside. That sucking has to stop. In fact, I wish I could even get home and show you her reaction when I wash these things and put in her hand, because I'm just trying as much as possible to just stop it. I wish I stopped it a lot earlier than, you know, getting to this point that she's 2 years now. I got thumb guard did not work, you know. Now let me try this bitter liver now, because Kama and that her teddy bear. I don't know if you guys have noticed in most of my vlogs, Kama is always Kama and that her teddy bear. They are best friends. She used to even feed the teddy bear. Sometimes she even tell the teddy bear, suck my finger. I'm like, hey, I beg, oh. But though I sucked, oh, like I sucked my tongue, oh. I sucked my tongue, oh, so well. My brothers too, like, you know, but seeing it with Kaima, I'm like, I beg. My mother-in-law said my husband, you know, sucked his thumb, I swear, but my husband will be telling, it's not the way you think. It's not the way. But anyways, guys, right? I did a voiceover, right? And that voiceover was talking about how the devil destroys this generation with the things that he has implemented. Self-care, wokeness, so many things. Children cannot sit still anymore until you give them iPad. You know, I've talked about this. I don't know how to overemphasize about this, but I thank God for delivering me from that iPad situation with my son. I thank God that, you know, I caught it very early and I was able to correct it. And there's no how anybody wants to convince me that it is good. It is so good. It keeps your children still. It is the best thing that has ever been invented. It is so wonderful. It is so this. Press your phone. Press your phone for 3 straight hours without doing anything. Just press your phone. Try and do that. But imagine children's brain that are still developing. Still developing. Still developing. Their eyesight, so many things are still developing that you put them in front of screen for hours. In fact, Nigerian people don't argue. It teaches them a lot. It teaches them shapes, colors. In fact, they go to class, they become first in the class and all. Can they comprehend when they speak? Can they come back and tell you how their day went? Apart from just rhyming, A is for apple, B is for ball, and the rest of them. Can you hold a conversation with your 5-year-old and they would comprehend, give you answers, talk? You guys, please don't be deceived. Don't be deceived. Hey, man, don't be deceived. Don't be deceived. But, well, the internet, I will not even say the internet. The internet is full of people with different opinions. Maybe until it happens to them personally. Then, because for me as well, I'm not even going to sit down. Then I will just, oh, thank God. Oh, it distracts him. Oh, I'm pregnant. Let me just, everybody wants to just give me an opinion. I'm not going to force you. It's my channel. I'm going to keep preaching against it. I'm going to keep talking about it. I'm going to keep preaching against it. I'm going to keep saying it. If you don't like it here, vamos. Shebapo. My people in my comment section will come and give me the right Igbo to say, because remember in my last vlog, they told me the right thing to say. Ishi or the Kwama. This one is, if you don't like it, I will keep talking about it. If you don't like it, Shebapo. Shebapo. Yes, you guys. Paid attention to what that what they call the voiceover was talking about. And if you're spiritually inclined, you will go back, you would think about it, you would see so many reasons, so many. God, you are good, and you will continue to open the eyes of those that truly want to know and want to see, and you will continually begin to raise platforms, raise channels, raise different people, especially in this social media era, that will speak against things that are not according to your will. You guys, is it not strange to each and every one of you that there are a lot of things and there are a lot of attacks on children, and they're giving them names. They're giving them names for the diseases, the different things that they inflict on children. Just giving them names for different things. I've seen people say, oh, the children were not thriving in so and so place. But when they brought them back to Nigeria, switched up the routines, did different things. You see these children are thriving. When I tell you that I'm a typical African woman, I am. But anyways, guys, I have to do other things. This is not the video for it. Anybody that is a coder, is a decoder, will be able to decode the many things that I have said in this period of my vlogs in the last 2 weeks. Be able to decode a lot of things. But anyways, guys, let me head into the market and just do what I need to do and finish up. Once I get back home, I'm washing this bitter leaf. Let me see if I'll get Kama's reaction for you guys. But if you guys don't see that, I hope you guys will have a very lovely weekend. Kisses from Bumsy to you. And to the people that, don't like Bumsy but watch me, thank you for putting money in my Access account. It does a lot for me. Thank you so much. Watch me and keep encouraging me. I'll see you guys.
A few moments later.
What is this? Please, come and rub our hands inside. The two. Put the second one.
Bring this one.
Put it down. Hey,
This
so
is
sweet. Kama is washing her hair. Try to remove your hand from there.
Come and taste.
Kama, suck your hand. Suck your hand. Suck it now. Mommy?
See me, you know that I was there.